Welcome to a WeTrade tutorial video. Today, we'll guide you through the process of registering a new WeTrade account. First, head over to our website and click on Register. Begin by specifying your country of residence, as this determines the available payment systems in your personalized area. Next, enter your information in the email address you'd like to associate with this account and create a password. Remember to follow the special requirements, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as numbers. You'll need to verify your account by receiving a 6-digit PIN through SMS or email. Please check your spam email and be patient as it can take some time. If you don't receive the PIN promptly, you can request another one after a short interval. This step ensures the security of your account and helps us maintain the integrity of our platform. Finally, you must tick the box to declare and confirm that you agree to our terms of service. You will then be redirected to your client portal. Inside the profile section, you will have to upload a proof of identity and proof of residence in order to create a trading account. Please make sure you submit valid documents and fill in the correct information as per the requirements. Once you've submitted your documents, please be patient while our team verifies your account. Once your account is complete, congratulations! You can now fund your account and start trading. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support.